Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Lurker's Bite in Gothic 1 Remake. Obtaining a strong weapon is one of the best ways to reduce the difficulty during the early stages of the game. However, stronger weapons usually require a large amount of ore nuggets, and sometimes you need to save your ore for other things you need to buy. Fortunately, you can actually get a strong early game weapon for free. First things first, you need to be at the entrance to the new camp. We have a video on the channel covering how to get to the new camp, so please make sure to check it out. Now, swim across the lake in front of the entrance, and you'll eventually see a cave entrance. Head inside the cave, and at the end you'll find a chest containing the Lurker's Bite. It has 21 edge damage and it only needs 15 dexterity to equip, which we'll get soon. This weapon is probably one of the best freely obtainable weapons early in the game. And that's how to get the Lurker's Bite in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.